If you are always confused on what to gift people in the holiday season, this is the video for you. I'm going to be showing you a ton of affordable gift ideas. A portion of this video is sponsored by Walmart, which is great because that means you are not going to be breaking the bank this holiday season trying to shop for gifts. Especially if the person you're wanting to gift is your girlfriend, best friend, sister, cousin, wife, mom, and they love beauty and self-care. There are so many amazing gift ideas you can find at Walmart this holiday season. I did my research and there are so many amazing gift sets you can get at Walmart. One of my favorite things to do, if you can do this, is to create a gift basket for your loved one. So basically you can include one small gift set, you can include some fuzzy socks, some hot chocolate bombs, whatever small things you would know that they love, but all wrapped up in a bow in the cutest little gift basket ever. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all of the different things you can include in your little gifts, whether it's for stockings or whether they're actual gifts. You are going to have an idea of what to get after this video, I promise. So let's get right into it. If I got this as a gift, I would love you forever. This is the Milani Glisten and Glow Lip Trio with a sequin finish. There are 3 beautiful colors and they're all perfect for a holiday party or a night out during the holidays. I'm gonna try one of these on so you guys can see how beautiful they are because Milani never misses. I'm so attracted right now to this shade. It's just so beautiful. It's like a little rose champagne. This is the shade Cheers. Love that. And I'm gonna put this right on top. That's gorgeous. Like, do you guys see the little shimmer? Love it. For the girl who loves keeping her nails snatched, gotta give them this. This is the OPI Mini Manny gift set. It has all of their most iconic shades. It has the white alpine snow. It has bubble bath, which has been viral on the internet for so long now. It has Big Apple Red and Linkin Park After Dark. If you know the person loves makeup and loves getting glammed up, this is by Hard Candy. This is their Glitterazzi Crystal Lip Duo. And this is so cool because I'm gonna show you guys the crazy amount of shimmer. That is absolutely gorgeous. If you have a little niece or a little sister, someone who's just starting to get into makeup, oh my gosh, they're gonna love this. This is the Revolution Toy Story lip gloss set. Oh my gosh, if I was like 10 years old and you got me this, I literally would think you were the coolest aunt ever. This comes with 2 different shades of their lip gloss. The first shade is named Buzz and the other shade is named Woody. How cute. If you need another gift for the same person who's on the younger side, look how cute. This is actually going to my little niece because she loves doing her makeup and she's been telling me how much she wants a little headband to put her hair back. And she's gonna love this. This is a collab with Revolution and the Grinch. It comes with a lip and cheek tint inside and a blush. Like, oh my gosh. If they're a Grinch fan, okay, this is another collab with Revolution Beauty and the Grinch. This is their Little Max lip kit with a lip liner and a liquid lipstick, both in this reddish shade that is perfect for the holidays. And they're just gonna look so ready, okay? This is something I am so excited about. I honestly think Pretty Smart is such an underrated brand and it is so affordable. These are their gold illuminating face drops. This is in the shade 026 Tipsy Owl. I'm just gonna apply a little bit to my cheek as like a little highlight. I love that. That is so subtle, yet that gives you like this like lit from within glow to the cheek. Wow, I'm actually gonna use this underneath my foundation next time I do my makeup because I have a strong feeling that this is gonna make my makeup looks so good if I use it as a primer. This is something I'm so excited about because everybody needs a neutral palette in their life, okay? And this is again by Pretty Smart. This is their 103 Celebrity Artist Eyeshadow Palette. And it has every single neutral shade you could need. I'm gonna do a super quick eye look with this palette because I think it's so cute and I feel like it's great to travel with. I'm gonna use this shade. It's the little tan shade as the base, just to even out my lids. And then I'm gonna use this shade. It's like a lighter brown into the outside of the lids. Oh, that already looks so good. Then I'm gonna use the darkest shade. You can create just an entire look with this. And I'm gonna pat it in to the outside. The pigment is absolutely amazing. And they also have a glitter shade. So I'm just gonna take my finger. Are you guys seeing that pigment? I just apply it directly to the lids. You could do an entire holiday party look with this. Another affordable beauty find. I absolutely love everything from Lottie London. It's another underrated brand. This is their Diamond Bounce Illuminating Powder Highlighter in the shade Golden. And what the heck, we are gonna try this on the face again because you can never have enough glow. That is stunning. That is so, so pretty. The specks of golden in this. I just want to keep adding more, but I know it's gonna look crazy. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video helped you in some way during your gift giving this holiday season, because I understand how hard it can be when you're trying to get a gift for somebody you think already has everything. And I think any of the things I mentioned in this video are guaranteed to make the person you love smile, and they're gonna love you even more. Everything I talked about is gonna be linked in the description box below. I'm gonna be doing so many more gift guides this holiday season, so stay tuned. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you can join the family here on YouTube and you don't miss out on my next video. And again, if this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps me out. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.